Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the lock type and gathering tools. This matters because the fix differs for a deadbolt versus a spring latch. First, try the key with gentle, steady pressure while someone else holds the door firmly. If the key turns a little, stop and spray a small amount of graphite or silicone lubricant into the keyway. This reduces friction without gumming the internals. Make sure to wipe excess and keep the door aligned. Misalignment often looks like a stuck lock, but is a different problem. Once the cover is off, visually inspect the cylinder and bolt. You want to see any bent parts, debris, or worn teeth on the key. If debris is present, blow or use a soft brush, then apply lubricant directly to the bolt and inside the cylinder. This allows the mechanism to move freely. If the bolt binds, slightly loosen mounting screws and operate the lock to let parts settle. Then red-iron. Make sure the key still moves smoothly and that the bolt retracts fully when you turn the knob or key. After reassembly, test the lock through 5 to 10 full cycles. This confirms the lubricant has spread and the parts seat correctly. If the original key still struggles, try a spare key. Worn keys cause slippage and jamming. If problems persist, removing and replacing the cylinder is the next step because internal pins wear out. Finally, if you hear grinding, the key won't turn, or the bolt traps, stop and call a locksmith. Forcing it risks breaking the key or damaging the door frame, which is costlier to repair.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.